Hello everyone, HarmonyOS's most powerful terminal, Termony, has been updated again. The main contents of this upgrade include several points. The first point upgrades the client. The versions of Python 3 and QEMU. QEMU has been upgraded from 5.0 to 10.0, which is a very important update. The second point is fastfetch finally supports the HarmonyOS logo, which is also very exciting. Here, I would like to express my gratitude to the fans Nankbeishu for their assistance and the selfless dedication of the community developers. In the official documentation, I have also updated the QEMU testing methods. Next, I'll briefly talk about QEMU. QEMU is an open-source virtualization software capable of virtualizing various architectures. Currently, Termony supports two architectures. One is the ARM architecture and the other is the x86 architecture. Next, I will demonstrate the use of QEMU with reference to the documentation. We can download the LPAN minimal system from the LPAN official website. Then after logging in, everyone should place the downloaded LPI system in your personal directory. I have already placed it here. We can see that this LPAN image is very small, only less than 4 megabytes. Next, we can perform the decompression operation. We can use mkdir in the systems. Next, in the directory, create an LPAN rootfs. We can then perform operations. I have already created this directory here, so I won't demonstrate it further. Next, we can execute the decompression operation to extract the current LPAN minimal system. Then unpack it into a directory like this. Next, we can enter into an Alpines. Within this system, navigate to the specified directory and perform necessary operations using QEMU before executing. At this point, we have successfully started the LPAN image. Then we can use ls to check the root directory. We can see that it has already switched to the LPAN directory. Next, we can perform some command installations on Alpha. We can treat it as a Linux system. The default package manager is APK. We can use this command to switch to the domestic Aliun repository. After switching, we can execute APK update. Then update the sources. After the update is complete, we can install packages using APK. For example, we can install the package with apk-add-bash. When installing, sometimes there may be installation errors, such as in this situation. If this happens, we will install multiple times. Currently, QEMU is still unstable. We can also add the v parameter here. It might also install successfully. After running this batch, we can perform some tests. This is the testing method for QEMU. That concludes the Terminate updates. I have also uploaded the new hype package to the cloud storage. Everyone can try it out now. Thank you all.